Okay, let's start. So good morning guys, welcome to NEET World. In this session we are going to see JEE Mains PYQs of Physics. In last session we have seen some of the question in JEE Mains PYQs, right? So in this session also we are going to continue with the next part of the question in Physics, and we'll see the first question of this session, that is a circular hole of a radius a by 2 is cut out of a circular disc of a radius a as shown in the given figure. Find the centroid of a remaining circular portion with respect to O will be. Okay, first let me take what are the given terms is given in this question. So from the center, if I see for the big circle, no, the center will be, I'll write a big disc. Okay, the disc only they have given, no, a circular hole. Okay, disc of a radius. Okay, big disc. Center, it is nothing but a comma 0, right? A comma 0. This is the center, no? This is the center point. So a comma 0. Then what about the area? Area is equals to pi a square. The radius is a, so pi a square. Fine. So this is for the big disc. For the smaller disc, which is there, no, I have not taken now as of now. Let me consider the center will be a plus a by 2, right? So this is my center. So from this to this the distance is, that's what I need to calculate now. So with respect to O point I need to calculate. So small disc which is nothing but center, that is a plus a by 2 comma 0, which is nothing but, so 3a by 2 comma 0 is the center. What about the area? Area is, radius is given a by 2, right? So pi r square means pi a by 2 the whole square, na? Area will be pi a square by 4, a by 2 square, no? So a square by 4. So this is what the given terms for the question. Center we have written a comma 0 for big disc, area pi a square. For small disc, center is 3a by 2 comma 0 and area a pi a square by 4. Now the thing I need to write. So x center of mass will be equals to a1 x1 minus a2 x2 divided by a1 minus a2, right? X1 is nothing but the center I am talking about, okay, and x2 is the center of the disc of small one. So minus I am taking out, na, okay. So what will be the answer here? A, area is pi a square, so pi a square into center is a minus, and then area is pi a square by 4 and center is 3a by 2, 3a by 2 by how much? Pi a square minus pi a square by 4, right? So from this can I take the pi a square commonly outside and can cancel it out, right? No, and yeah, I can cancel it out. So what I will get? Pi a square, if I cancel it out, a minus 3a by 8 will come, no, 3a by 8, 3a by 8 divided by how much? 1 by, so 1 minus 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 4, which is nothing but, so this is 8a minus 3a, which is equals to 5a by 8 divided by, and this is 3 by 4, 3 by 4, done, no? And the final thing I need to calculate it, that's it. So this one will be 2 times and this will be 1 times, right? So what will be the answer? I can cancel it out and I can get it, na, from this easily, yeah. So the calculation part you can say and give the answer, okay. We will go for the next question. Yes, no, fine. We'll go for the next question. Yeah. So the next question is, if the source of a light used in Young's double slit experiment is changed from red to violet, the fringes will become brighter, consecutive fringes lines will come closer, the central bright fringes will become a darker fringe, the intensity of minima will increases. So the direct answer is, we can say by reading now, like consecutive fringes lines will come closer, right? No? Yes. Yeah, the formula will be lambda is equals to beta capital D by small d, right? Okay, we'll go for the next one. De Broglie wavelength of a proton and alpha particle are equal, okay, and the ratio of their velocity is. So can you give the answer for this question? We'll see. Like I need to get the velocities, like what they said, De Broglie wavelength are equal. So lambda 1 will be equals to lambda 2, obviously. So De Broglie wavelength are equal. So lambda 1 equals to lambda 2. I need to find the velocities ratio. So V1 by V2 I need to get it. Okay. Can you give now? Okay. So when we see lambda is nothing but h by mv, right? So here h is constant. So lambda 1, lambda 2 are equal, they said, that is wavelength are equal. So mass of a proton and mass of a alpha particle. So how I can say, like mass of a proton I will write, but mass of a alpha particle is 4 times the mass of the proton, no? So I can get the relation further. I have the relation. So I will keep as it is now. Okay, I will keep this one. Now if I see here, velocity is inversely proportional to mass, right? No? So if I take the velocity, no, velocity lambda is equals to h by m. So here this both are constant, like lambda 1 equals to lambda 2, I will leave about that. So v will be inversely proportional to m. So if I see v1 by v2, it is nothing but m2 by m1. So velocity of the mass of the alpha particle. So mass of the alpha particle by mass of the proton, which is nothing but 4 times the mass of the proton by mass of the proton, which is nothing but 4:1 is the answer. So the next question is, the uniform metallic wire is elongated by 0.04 meter when subjected to a linear force F. The elongation, if its length and diameter is doubled and subjected to the same force, will be. So same force they told. So first we will write Young's modulus. So Young's modulus will be equals to stress by strain, no, so force by area by delta L by L, right? So in this what they told, the uniform metallic wire elongated 0.04, okay? So 0.04, no, so in this I can write F by A divided by 0.04 by L, this one thing. And the second thing what they told, if its length and diameter is doubled and subjected to the same force, will be. So subjected to the same force, no. So y will be equals to f by, if diameter is doubled, radius also will be doubled, right? So pi, so it is a wire, no? Yeah, it's a wire. So circle will be there, right? Pi r square. So 4a divided by how much? Length also doubled, no? So delta L by 2L. So now this is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. So from this I can find the value of delta L, no? Yes, that's the thing they are asking, no? So how much, I mean subjected to the same force will be how much centimeter they are asking. So equate it, what I will get? So F by A by delta L by, that is 0.04 divided by L, which is equals to F by 2A divided by delta L by how much? 2L, no? 2L. So this is 4A, no? Yeah, it is 4A, not 2A. So F will get cancelled, F A will get cancelled, and L and L also get cancelled, right? So cross multiply it. So how much? Delta L by 2 will be equals to 1 by 4 into 0.04 divided by 1, that's it, right? So delta L will be equals to 2 into, so this is 10 power minus 2 I can write, and 4 will get cancelled, so 10 power minus 2 centimeter. So delta L is 0.02 centimeter, that's the thing when diameter and the length is doubled, okay, and same force has been applied. Okay, the next question is, two solids A and B of mass 1 kg and 2 kg respectively are moving with equal linear momentum. The ratio of their kinetic energy will be, so the value of A is, so kinetic energy, that is A will be, A given as A and kinetic energy B is given as 1. So what is the value of A they are asking? So first we will take the thing, mass as given as 1 kg 2 kg respectively and moving with equal linear momentum. So equal linear momentum, no, so mass m1 by m2 can be written as 1 by 2, right? Right, now 1 by 2, that's it. So what about the momentum is given, momentum P1 should be equals to P2 should be equals to P. So what is momentum? P is equals to mass into velocity, where P, I will write here. So m1 v1 should be equals to m2 v2 should be equals to P. This is the thing, right? That's the given thing, moving with equal linear momentum. Now the kinetic energy, what is the relation between kinetic energy and the momentum? So kinetic energy is equals to half mv square, right? But what is momentum? Mass into velocity. So can I add mass by mass again here? So what I will get? So m square v square by 2m I will get, where this one I can write as p square by 2m. So kinetic energy is nothing but momentum square by 2 times of the mass, okay. So kinetic energy 1 by kinetic energy 2 should be equals to, momentum is same, p1 square by, or p square by L, p square by 2m1, okay, 2m1 should be equals to, sorry, divide by p square by 2m2. So mass 2 is 2, mass 1 is 1, substitute those values there. I will get p square will get 1 by 2 by 1 by 4. So which is nothing but 2 times, which is equals to 2 by 1. So what they have given, kinetic energy A and kinetic energy B is given as A by 1. So A by 1 is equals to 2 by 1, which is nothing but A is equals to 2. This is the answer. Okay. So, the next question is, the root mean square speed of a molecule of a given mass of gas at 27 degrees Celsius at 1 atmosphere pressure is 200 meter per second. The root mean square speed of a molecule of a gas at 127 degree and 2 atmospheric pressure is x by root 3 meter per second. The value of x will be. So, what is the formula for the root mean square, like VRMS? So, VRMS is nothing but root over 3RT by m, right? No, 3RT by m. So, what is the first thing they have given? 27 degrees Celsius, convert everything into Kelvin, no? Okay. So, 27 degrees Celsius in the sense 273 plus 27, 300, and it is given as 200 meter per second, no? So, substitute the value, and for second case it is x by root 3 meter per second, substitute that value, and 127 degrees Celsius. So, 400 Kelvin. Okay. So, what will be the answer? Yes, we will find now. So, first one, the first case I will write here. Similarly, you can write for the second case also. So, 200 should be equals to under root of 3R into 200 by m. Okay. And for the second case, it is x by root 3 is equals to root over 3R into 400 by m. That is it. Now, take the ratios for both the cases and find the value of x. That is the thing I need to find. So, 200 by x by root 3 is equals to, and if I take the ratios, no, here m will get cancelled, 3R will get cancelled. So, under root of 400, right, 200 by 400. Is it, sorry, this is not 200, no, it is a 27 degrees Celsius, so 300, sorry guys, it is a 300, okay, 300 by 400, you can change that. So, I will write here 27 degrees Celsius, no, 273 plus 27, which is nothing but 300, and for this it is 273 plus 127, it is 400, okay, now it is fine, right now. So, zeros will get cancelled, 200, yes, no, 200 by x by root 3. Can I take that x by root 3 that side? No. Or 200 root 3 by x should be equals to root 3 by root 4. So, this one get cancelled, root 3, and this root 4 will become 2, no. So, 200 into 2 is equals to x, where x will be equals to 400. That is the value. So, the value of x is 400. Okay. So, with this we will end the session and we will bring some more question in the next part of the session, and we will meet in the next class, guys. Bye.